Wanna know how to fix your login error of your Facebook app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your App Store or Play Store. Tap on it. Tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Insert here Facebook and search for this particular app. Then check if your app is updated or not. You can see you'll get an option of update right next to Facebook instead of open if your app hasn't been updated yet. My app is already updated, so I don't have an option of update. If your app hasn't been updated yet, you'll get an option, so make sure to update your app. This could be the very first reason of you facing the login error, so make sure to update it. The second one is to go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down, tap on apps below battery and performance. Tap on manage apps below system app settings. Tap on the search bar on the top. Insert your Facebook. On the bottom, you have 3 of the options: force stop, uninstall, and clear data. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. Just by doing it, you have removed all of the unrequired chunks from your Facebook app, which could be the reason for you facing your login error. So you have made your app all healthy and fresh to use it. This could have been the second reason of you facing it. And the third one is to uninstall your app. By dragging it just like this, tap on uninstall and then go back to Play Store again and make sure to install it once again. Reinstalling your Facebook app will surely help you overcome it. So this was the third one. I've told you 3 of the ways to do it. I'm sure it will definitely work, so go back and try all of the 3 ways. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.